Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with basecamptrading.com. Just want to make a video to go over Bitcoin here on the daily chart. So we broke out above the 67,420 area. We broke out above here. Strong move up. We are now above the 23.6% retracement from the previous all-time high to this swing low down here. So we're above that. Next resistance area is going to be up in here, up at around 86,143. So if you're long Bitcoin or looking for a target, this would be roughly a good area up in here. Call it 85,000 is the next pivot resistance. So keep an eye on that. We have had a very strong up move, and we need to hold above the 67,420 area if we're going to maintain moving up to the upside. So that would all be good support for the time being. That being said, if you like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading rooms, we do offer a $7 1-month access trial. And you can get access to that if you email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.